hammer that I got. Mounted on one side for working steel, flat on the other one for flattening it out. And I got the 3-point, 4.5 pound, same thing. Some steel I've bought, 80 CRV2, 1/4 inch by 2 by 18 inches long. This is 1095. Some nickel right here that I have for making like guards for your knives. This is some 80 CRV2, just a smaller piece. The knives that I've made, I realized I need to get me a good grinder. I'm going for a 2x72 grinder. I'm going with researching quite a bit on what I should get, and I told him my brain fart right now, and I can't remember what it even is. It out, it's good to go down the edge, both sides, and then down the middle. It kind of squishes out like a piece of clay. More on this one. I think I got it pretty close to how I want it. I can do the rest with grinding a little bit. But yeah, coming on, this is like number 3. There's number 4 in the oven right there. I want to finish the point. Drop that back down. Getting the hang of it, I guess. It's just I'm just going to start forging a lot. Start making a lot of stuff. Just get better and better as I go, hopefully. Don't zoom in on this stain on my shirt.
What is that?
I don't know what it is. Anyway.
I don't even want to tell you what that looks like.
I made some knives, and to finish them I need to grind them and put a good profile of grinding on them. And I researched some grinders. I'm going to go with Northridge Pro Package. It's got a 2 horsepower Leeson motor on it. It's got a variable speed. I like them to have it wired for 120. You can have it wired for 120 or 220. In the situation I'm in now, I'd rather have 220, but I have 120 available, so I'll do that. And it's a little expensive, but I'm just going to bite the bullet and get it. Pay good money for a good anvil, a good forge, and a good grinder.
And a good workbench.
This stuff's expensive, man. I need to sell like a bajillion knives just to make up for like one of these things. But it's something I plan on doing for a while and getting good at it. And to get a good grind on a knife is, I think it's going to be worth it.
Probably the most important thing, right?
What's that?
Probably the most important thing.
One of the most important things, yeah. Yep, getting a good grind on your knife. You know, nice even grind lines makes the knife or breaks it.